Hi, welcome back to another exciting video from Exam Paddy. In today's lesson, I'll teach you about something amazing, our human eyes. Our eyes are really important and they help us see the world around us. Come along with me. Imagine your eyes as tiny cameras inside your head. They have a special lens at the front, just like the lens of a camera, which helps to focus the light. When light enters our eyes, it travels through the lenses and forms an image on a screen at the back of our eyes called the retina. The retina is like the film inside a camera. It contains millions of tiny cells called photoreceptors. These photoreceptors capture the image formed by the lens and convert it into electrical signals. These signals then travel to our brain through the optic nerve. Our eyes have different parts that work together to help us see. We have the pupil, which is the black circle in the center of our eyes. It gets bigger or smaller to control how much light enters our eyes. Pretty cool, right? Here are some fun facts about eyes that you may not know. Did you know that no two people on earth have the exact same eye color? Whether your eyes are brown, blue, green, or somewhere in between, your eyes are as unique as you are. Another incredible fact is that our eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Just imagine all the beautiful shades and hues we can see. From the vibrant red of a juicy apple to the forest green grass, colors make our world a truly wonderful place. Our eyes don't just detect colors, they can also sense motion. Our eyes work together with our brain to make sense of the world around us. When we see something moving, our eyes send signals to our brain, helping us to react quickly and stay safe. Here are some more facts about our eyes. Some animals have more than 2 eyes. Yes, for example, spiders have 8 eyes. Our eyes send signals to our brain at a speed of about 400 kilometers per hour. That is super fast. Tears are important for our eyes and they help keep our eyes moist and clean. Eyelashes help protect our eyes from dust and debris. Glasses were invented in the 13th century in Italy. Eyes are connected to our hearts. Yes, when we see something we love, our heart rate can increase. Our eyes are truly spectacular. Now, let's discuss the importance of caring for our eyes and how you can care for your eyes. Like any other part of our body, our eyes must be kept healthy. Here are a few tips to remember. Number 1, eat a healthy diet with lots of fruit and vegetables. Carrots, for example, are excellent for our eyes because they contain a nutrient called beta-carotene that promotes good vision. Remember to wear sunglasses when you're out in the sun. They protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. 3. Limit screen time and take regular breaks if you spend a lot of time using electronic devices. Your eyes need to rest too. 4. Make sure to visit an eye doctor regularly. They can check your vision and detect any problems early on. Lastly, always remember to wash your hands before touching your eyes. It helps prevent infections and keeps your eyes healthy. So, as you can see, our eyes are pretty amazing. We should take care of them by eating healthy foods and having vitamins for our eyes, taking breaks from looking at screens and wearing sunglasses when we're outside. Thank you so much for listening and learning with me today. Make sure to subscribe to Exam Paddy for more fun videos. Goodbye.